So you come home and guess what? Your beloved dog has a little snack. And it's not his kibble, it's your shoe. Yeah, this happened. But instead of throwing them out, we're going to resolve, restitch, add new heels, and give them a fresh shine. Let's get to work. The good news, we still have one shoe in a perfect shape. So we're going to copy the sole from this one and make a brand new one from the other. Precision is key. We want these to match perfectly. Be patient. If you rush, you might end up with a loop-sided shoe, and trust me, no one wants that. We're using strong shoe glue to secure this. Apply evenly and press firmly. Let it set for a few minutes before moving on to stitching. This is the moment of truth. Will it stick? Will it hold? Stay tuned. Now glue alone won't do the trick. We're going to full shoemaker mode, stitching this bad boy for extra durability. This part takes patience, but trust me, it's worth it. Your shoe will last way longer this way. Boom, solid as new. We're not stopping there. Time for a fresh pair of new heels to make these shoes feel brand new. New heels means new life for your shoes. Last step, shine time. A little polish, a soft cloth, and some elbow grease. And there you have it, from doggy disaster to dapper once again. So next time your dog gets a little too hungry, don't panic. Resolve, repair, and restore. Hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY fixes. And I'll see you in the next one.